Ford Pinto is a subcompact car that was manufactured and marketed by Ford Motor Company in North America from 1971 until 1980. The Pinto was the first subcompact vehicle produced by Ford in North America. The Pinto was marketed in three body styles throughout its production: a two-door fastback sedan with a trunk, a three-door hatchback, and a two-door station wagon. Mercury offered a rebadged version of the Pinto as the Mercury Bobcat from 1975 until 1980. Over 3 million Pintos were produced over its 10-year production run, outproducing the combined totals of its domestic rivals, the Chevrolet Vega and the AMC Gremlin. The infamous Ford Pinto has been consistently making the worst cars of all time lists. Being introduced as a low-cost car, Ford cut some corners that made it alarmingly dangerous. Ford put the fuel tank behind the rear axle and equipped it with a fuel filler pipe that would easily tear away in rear-end collisions. As a result, the car would wound up exploding and being engulfed in flames each time it got into a rear impact. In fact, about 500 burn deaths were reported. Reports revealed that Ford engineers actually discovered this flaw while the cars were undergoing pre-production testing, but Ford shrugged the issue as having the problems fixed at $11 per unit. A total of $113 million was deemed too costly, so instead, the car maker thought it would be much less costly if it would pay off possible lawsuits to burn victims with a mere $49 million. As if that wasn't shameless enough, Ford even lobbied against a safety standard imposed by the government which required Pintos to have fire-prone tanks. Fortunately, the National Highway Traffic Safety Association managed to get Ford to recall all Pintos and pay damages to the victims of rear collision accidents involving a Pinto. So this leaves us to say, what were they thinking? See you next time.